Hello, does this work? I think it does. Okay, perfect. Yeah. So what is it called? Like Happy 端午节, or I guess Dragon Boat Festival, as they call it. That is why I'm able to be here doing programming on the Friday. I mean, today I don't even have to be programming, but we are programming anyways. So let me actually like get the thing to work, and then we can chat. So give me just 1 minute here, and then we can chat a lot more while the AI is working, because that is just how it usually is. Yeah. So in the in compile rule of a compile a would you unfold the bound on a online, what is it, 150, a delta bound on a line uh 158, and possibly just inline it on one a 566, as in instead of using Pythagorean TV. Wait, why is it not Korean TV bound? A just write it out. I think it's like a epsilon times square root q or something, right? Okay, good. Now where are we? We were, yes. We are going to chat. Yeah. So there's so much to chat about. Okay, so first of all, I guess 端午节, the Dragon Boat Festival, is, if I understand correctly, it is actually a holiday in Taiwan. So I am actually a like, what is it called? Like, justified to not go into office today. But okay, so I guess I might as well start telling a story from this morning. So I mean, they still do housekeeping today. So so they woke me up at like 9 something, which I guess makes sense because at least like place that I'm currently living right now, I mean, I have this like quote unquote the visiting scholar thing. So because of that, I feel like it is like kind of natural that they are doing housekeeping on like 9:30 or something. A At least on weekdays, because they kind of expect us to be like productive and be in the office by like, I don't know, by like 9 a.m., right? So if they do like housekeeping at 9:30, then it kind of makes sense. And then I don't know why they are doing it on the weekend as well. I mean, it makes sense, right? Because if they are doing housekeeping at 9:30 on weekdays, they might as well do it on weekends as well. Yeah, so because of that, I they basically woke me up, and then yeah, so I got like what? Actually, when did I go to sleep last night? Let me just quickly look at my like Chrome history and make sure there's nothing very suspicious here. Uh, uh yeah, this was fine. Okay, yeah, maybe I can just share screen. Yeah. So I went to sleep at like very late, and then so I got, I guess, like maybe less than 6 hours. Yeah, but that was fine. Yeah. So I woke up and I decided to put up the waiting room for this, and then what is it called? And then I realized I want to not be productive immediately. So why is this taking so long? Like, this is should be a simple change. Yeah, but anyways, yeah. So I was gaming yesterday, right? And then after I did gaming, I basically realized that I actually had tokens, because I actually got, wait, am I using the right? Shoot. Oh shoot, I'm not using the right account. I need to switch accounts after this. Yeah, because this is the account of the lab I'm visiting, and this is not the project with them. Shoot. Why does this always happen? Now I feel really bad. Well, I mean, the thing is that they have more token than they can spend, so it doesn't really matter at the end of the day. But still, this is not nice. Yeah, to do with to them. Yeah, but so it's funny because they have this the lab that I'm visiting. They do have this like codex subscription, but then they are using it for like theory research. So they basically are using it to just like they are basically using the web interface only. So basically, I'm the only one who's actually using this what is it called, codex tokens. So, but still, yeah, the I should switch account right after this, yeah. But yeah, the story is basically that, after I was gaming, after I did the V-Rising gaming yesterday, I actually I think I ate a little bit or something. Yeah, I forgot. But anyways, after that, at some point, I started being productive, and then I was signed to this other account to work on project with them. But then I was curious about when do I get my own tokens back, so I looked, and it turns out I have it back already. I think there was some like reset. So I was supposed scheduled to have it back on Saturday night, but I don't know why I got it back already. And because of that, I was like, okay, last night I already spent part of it, but then it's like, okay, yeah, I might as well just spend more and be productive, yeah. But now, should I really hope this doesn't spend too much tokens? I mean, they are not going to run out because they are on the very what is it called? They are on a much higher tier plan. So this is kind of a drop in the bucket for them, but still, I kind of don't want to be not nice. Yeah, I don't know, but I also kind of don't want to just like interrupt this because this is a yeah. Oh well. Anyways, what are we saying? Right. Okay. So V Rising. Oh, yeah. So how should I? Yes. So after a stream yesterday, I basically Actually, I forgot what did I do right after. Did I eat? Hey, yesterday I had like a meal at like 7 p.m. and then we played video game for a very long time until near midnight. And then I know I have fruits. Oh, speaking of that, my what is it called? My dragon fruit went bad, and I never had a chance to eat it. I'm sad. Yeah, so I feel like maybe I should do grocery today or tomorrow or sometime. But then I should maybe not buy so much fruit because I feel like as healthy as fruits are, I feel like basically they don't last long enough for me to actually finish all of them properly. Yeah. But anyways, first thing, right, okay. So this morning so I guess it's 端午节 today. I still don't really fully like how should I say it? I mean, there's a lot of like cultural enrichment thing that I received when I was little, right? So I kind of know what the festival is about, but also not really, I guess. So there is this like uh back in the very olden days of China, as in the like back when emperors and sorry, yeah, back when emperors and dynasty were around, there was this very loyal retainer, Qu Yuan. Yeah, the name is Qu Yuan. Basically this very loyal government official of the emperor, and he was being very frustrated with the emperor because he would give all kind of good advices, and the emperor would not listen. And then he got very well. Actually, I feel like the rest of the story, if I say it, I don't know. Like, what's the line? Like, what is it called? Like, where is the like? I don't know what I can or cannot say on YouTube. But basically, yeah, the the guy did some funny things and he died. Yeah. Yes. So yeah, maybe that's even the worst ways of saying it. But anyways, yeah. And then people kind of just make this a holiday to kind of remember him. And then today we also eat 粽子, which is a symbolism for basically how should I say it? Yeah, basically a just like more I guess morbid stories I guess of the guy basically like drunk, like jump into probably over bridge or somewhere or something like that. Yeah, and then people are also throwing the 粽子 or whatever into the water, so the fish would not would kind of eat the other stuff and not eat anyways, yeah. Very, very morbid stories. Hey, what was I saying? I feel I'm actually going to get like get I hope I don't get banned off a platform or something. Also, like, why is this taking so long? And now I'm feeling really bad. Like, this should be like a very tiny change. I don't understand why is it taking so long. And I was really thinking it would be fast. Is it just like what the heck is going on? Anyways, yeah. After this, I'm switching back to my own account. I promise. So anyways, what was I saying? Well, switching back to my account until I forget again next time, because after I spend all my tokens here, I will be switching back to this lab account to work on the project with them. Yeah, maybe not on stream though, because yeah, or maybe on stream, I don't know. Yeah. Depending on how long this takes, right? But yeah, where are we? Right, right. So actually, the last couple of days have been. Oh, today I also saw some people burning what is it called? Not like instance, but like special kind of like uh, I don't know how to describe 金纸. It's like not like real money, but like fake money kind of thing that they burn it. So people in the what is it called in the afterlife is maybe one of the way to translate it, I guess. Yeah, let people in the afterlife would receive the money and live slightly better lives. At least that is kind of the story behind it. So yeah, I actually saw people burning 金纸 today, but I actually did not. But I somehow did not think that it would be what is it called? I actually did not think that was a 端午节 thing. Yeah. Speaking of this, like when I was little, my grandma on my mom's side would always make 粽子 for 端午节. Yeah, I I actually don't know if she still does it. Uh, I would not be surprised if she still does, but it's a little bit too far for me to go there. So maybe I should look. Like, is there? Well, the thing about Zhongzi Place is that I feel like there's probably gonna be very crowded today, right? So, but let's see anyways. Yeah. Do I want Zhongzi later today? Oh well. Oh, I've walked by this place before. Okay, so you can have. Of course you can. That makes sense. Yeah. Somehow when I walk by, because how the building looks like, I actually no, this makes sense. Yeah, I just somehow always. I guess I was just not thinking, but I always thought they sold like raw 粽子 instead of like cooked ones. But yeah, okay, so I can go there. If I want it later today. A Dragon Ball Festival might affect these hours. I bet it doesn't. Or if anything, I bet it just makes it open for longer. Because that's exactly what you eat during Dragon Ball. Not Dragon Ball. Dragon Boat Festival. Yeah. Alright, what do you have here? Doesn't say. Okay. Yeah, says nothing about it. Uh. Yeah, actually, I wonder if in convenience store they actually sell 粽子. I think they might sell like microwavable ones. Anyways, yeah. Or do I just go here and just I don't know. Close 1 p.m. Really? Really? Open one wiggle. Oh, is this like some kind of like night market thing? Well, I mean not night market, but it's just Friday morning like farmers market thing, maybe? Yeah. Why did it take so long? Why? Like what is going on here? Wait. Don't tell me it's actually doing like square root kind of stuff. Wow. Okay, apparently arithmetic here is not free, which would make sense why is it taking so long. What is this? Root of I'm slightly surprised epsilon sits inside a root, but whatever. That is fine, yeah. A and then I can finally switch back to my account. Yeah. The other thing is I'm not super hungry, and also the thing about zongzi is that it's made with sticky rice, right? So it's not so gentle on the digestive system. So I actually like, I don't know, I liked it when I was little, but then I just kind of because I have poor stomach, I just kind of don't eat it often. I should not eat it often. Yeah, but I mean, I today is fine, right? Like once per like however long. Actually, I don't know because yesterday I. Yesterday, I also went to the what is it called? This like very nice onigiri place, and they also have sticky rice stuff. Hey, let me find it. Hey, it was at Nangang Station. It's surprisingly nice. Hey, is it a where is it? Is it this? Oh yeah, yes, it's this. Yeah, yeah, and they had this like sweet version. It's not this. The red bean thing. Hey, it was so nice, but also like 100% carb. I mean, I also had this salty stuff as well. But like what was it that I had? Cannot find it. Oh no, it's I think it's not that. Yeah, a yeah. How do you call the like Japanese sweet with like basically wrapping sticky rice? A like a Japanese sweets. Oh, I think it's this. Let me see. Yeah, looks like it. Yeah, I think it's pretty much this. Yeah, they still this there, and it was so nice. But yeah, I mean the other day I already when I say the other day, I mean literally yesterday I already had sticky rice, so I would just have it like 2 days in a row. Oh wow, it's like is this? No, it's not. Okay, yeah. Anyways, yeah. Actually, what's the difference between ohali and botamochi? Eh, actually, yeah. Let me look. Mm, yeah, what's the difference? Ohali, botamochi, chigai, I guess. Ohali, uh, botamochi, chigai, I guess. Wait, is it ohaki? Mm, it's basically a same wagashi. Just basically you have the mochi rice, and use wrapping paste to yeah, you're wrapping mochi rice with wrapping paste, but the season is a different. If you eat it in the spring, it's called botan. What? Wait. If you so it's like little botan mochi because it is like a flower. So and huggy is is huggy a different plant? So it's literally the same thing, and it's just the okay, I see. So it's literally the what is it called? Wow, 40 minutes. Now I feel really bad about like isn't using the labs thing. Oh, and also why is the proof so hard? Like okay, so this is fine, but then this is it doesn't even seem that difficult. Why is it like it's intelligence setting right? Yeah, it's extra maybe I should just say to medium. Yeah, I wonder maybe it's the extra high intelligence that makes it take extra long. I don't know. Yeah. Anyways, maybe I should do this anyways and switch back to my own account before I forget. Okay. So log out and then log back in, and hopefully I will not need to what is it called? I mean, at some point I would a should be fine for now, I think. But at some point I might not stop sharing my screen. Okay, I'm signed in, and now I'm using my own account properly, finally. Okay, and then let me just do a git add. Oh, I alias CC to just bytecode thing, yeah. A so a iterate on compile rule statement. Okay, and then I want to say a what is it called? Yeah, let me just get the AI to do the next thing, and then we can keep talking about food. Because why not, right? So where are we? So we wanted to get the AI to work. Hey, actually, yeah, I feel like at some point I might just be upgrading to $100 plan because I am using this for way too many projects. And oh wow, very good, very good. I feel like do I want to cover? I You know what? Sure, yeah. I mean to learn. Oh, it's already it's already in the list, of course. Yeah, okay. One of these days I will cover it, I'm sure. Once I get my piano back, yeah. Okay, so except the outros, always skipping outro because why not? Yeah. Hey, okay. So what was that? Anyways, let's get the thing to work. Yeah. Okay. So back to medium setting, and then a copilot whatever. Yeah. Speed is standard. Yeah, and this is everything else looks good. Yeah. And then I want to do what? I wanted to a basically go. Let me see here. I think a actually, can I just ask you to continue? Maybe I can. A Yeah, I think it's already looking at this, so maybe I can do this. Uh, a maybe what is it called? Close out a few some more of these assumptions. A Is any of them especially tricky? Uh, is any of them especially tricky, or are they all low hanging fruits? Yeah. Good. So now I hope it doesn't break it because I was doing some other thing the other time. Yeah. What is it? A Yeah, like I was doing things in the other chat. I hope it doesn't break this one. But yeah, I think things are similar enough. It shouldn't. So where are we? Okay, sure, whatever. So wait, is our list in the right? I thought a lot of lists have already appeared in here, unless it just completely changed. I don't know. Anyways, yeah. What was I going to? Oh, okay. Yeah. So, a hockey. Oh, it's literally just oh, and then which is like a prefix, and then hockey, which is flower. So it's like the flower. I mean, it's not the specific flower, the hockey. And botamochi is like the flower mochi. I guess the other funny thing is that it's not even like when I hear the word mochi, I thought it would be like actually like crushed rice, not like rice paste. I did not think it would be actually just a just like rice. Yeah. But anyways, so you have a let me see if I'm understanding correctly. So Nichinante. Oh, I think it is. Yeah. Actually, I don't know how to parse this. So is it this? Or maybe yeah. Why not just the thing will help me parse, right? So Chinante is the thing. Yeah. Okay. Chinami. Oh, okay. Chinami. Okay. So this is a because it's related to Botan, and so now it is a Botamochi, but then the fall is Ohaki because it is, yeah, and then a yeah, a okay, so Botamochi Ohaki, a for spring. I mean spring. So this is a spring version. It's bigger flower, and then this is smaller flower, I guess. And then oh, so the bin paste is also slightly different because the like I mean not the species, but like if you wanted to like what is it called, like mash it complete to paste, or if you leave some of the if you leave some bins as their original shape. Okay, and then you have, oh, so there are different sizes, is it? So they are actually different. So I think the one I had was Botamochi. You want to just look, yeah. This is going to give me a this is okay. I think I had the spring version. But are they actually the same size? A I know this doesn't look appetizing, but this is, just like bean paste with the yeah, the I feel like the outside really doesn't look appetizing, but the inside is nice. Actually, I also just realized that there is like no other filling, but then I think the one I had yesterday, it also had like bean paste inside. Anyways, where are we? Hey, still programming. Yes, we are still being very productive. This is like, okay, let me go boil some water. I'll be right back. Okay, what did I miss? Oh, I missed the think building. Okay, that is 0 plus 1. Okay, and then I missed some math. Okay, yeah. Oh, I have a meeting about this like tonight, so it would be really good if I actually I thought I only would get token tomorrow, so I actually did not think I would actually finish today. And oh, speaking of that, like, I feel like we really need to be productive. What is this? Yeah, fine. This is good. Yeah, actually, I feel like there's so much technical debt that I need to pay. Let's quickly scroll through, right? Because why not? Like, I feel like the AI loves to do this. Well, I guess this is fine. Yeah, in this file, like none of this is especially bad or egregious. But I feel like for this, there is like a lot of like uh, let me, or maybe it's gotten a bit better. Yeah, maybe it has. Also, what is Elim? I actually don't know this tactic. I feel I should. Yeah, it's basically just a kind of, huh. Okay. I feel I should know, but yeah, actually has it gotten better? I think it has. Yeah, because like I feel like long time ago it would just do this like forward proofs instead of backward reasoning. So then it would basically just a like declare like five different lemmas inside a proof and then apply all of them at once at the end. But I feel like now the reasoning is slightly more, except this blank lines. I don't know what's happening, but oh well. Oh, maybe this is one of them. I don't know. Yeah. Oh wow. Hazukoin, is it? Nikki. Yeah, should be Nikki, right? It's like the game Yume Nikki, I think. Uh, Nikki. Yeah. Okay. Good. Also like Clubhouse cover. Actually, I think a lot of people has covered this, and this is always nice. Yeah. Well, I don't know what it says about me if I say a song is nice, but it is what it is. Yeah. Eh, it's just how we are, of course. Okay. It's not all low hanging fruit. So this is a Let me see. Hmm. Let me see. Close out some enroll omits or assumptions. Yeah, omits is fine. Yeah, or dispatch. Yeah. And then we 27 insertions. You haven't worked much. Like, how long have you been working? 5 minutes? Well, I guess fine. Yeah, why not? A a I guess the is a is a program logic thing. Let's better save for next time. A maybe maybe this seems. Wait, actually, I feel like a the list scary. Wait, a there. I remember a long time ago we had a older version of this that uh was fully verified, but we had to we had to erase a throw away quite a bit of the proof. Any do you think it's worth looking in the digging through the repo, or even a digging a bit into the Git history, seeing to see if any of that old stuff can be rescued. Yeah, maybe this is the one way to do it. I mean, chances are it would just be really, it would just burn like half of my token without doing anything. But let's see. Yeah, and then good. So where are we? Yeah, because what is it called? Hmm. Yeah. Oh, perfect. Yeah. So it's very smart. Maybe smarter than I am. That is good. That's great. I think my water should be boiling, so I should be a. Let me see. A Okay. Oh. Let me see. Oh, whether a proof ever exists under another name tag, it would be nice, wouldn't it? Hey, I don't know. Yeah, it was very strange. Hey, it's been present for a very long time. Hey, let me see. Okay, I'm gonna go make tea. I'll be right back. I think I have hot water now. Okay, I'm back. Yeah, so basically the false positive. But yeah, so remember like a couple of days ago I was doing Japanese studying, and then at the end I said I was going to have ramen, right? Which means I said I was going to go here, but then it turns out that I realized that I need to go see my family first. So I actually left the visiting scholar whatever thing to go meet my family around here. Yeah, because they also slept very late. So I went to, oh, they recommend this ramen place to me. I need to eat sometime. Yeah, but yeah. So I actually no, I think it was like more closer up here. Anyways, yeah. So I basically went to yeah, to them, and then I arrived like past midnight, and then I was like, okay, this is a do I drop my things off and just like go have ramen? and see if I can catch a last metro. And the family member was like, "Nah, let's just stay there for the night." And they would just cook me something or like hit off some leftover for me. So I basically just stay a night over there. Yeah. So that was what happened like 2 days ago. And then after that, I basically yesterday I just came back, and then like last yesterday morning, so I grabbed the onigiri here, and then I went back. Came back and I just like slept for a long time. Yeah, because like so I guess here's the thing. Like I was there for until very very late because that is like what we I guess youngish people do. Oh, let me see. Not self-contained. So it's like not no hits. Okay, yeah. Hmm. Let me see. Risk-worthy artifact is a stash is more elaborate. Or some. Oh, right. There are some like stuff in the stash. A a if we can apply it cleanly, but let's either try or make use of what we can. Let's take what we can from it, and then let me see. Maybe I just say do this. Yeah. Okay. So where are we? Hey, I'm gonna like just like stashed it instead of like threw it out entirely because like I feel like okay, so it was basically an old attempt of approving a much stronger version of the compound rule, which I have never told you guys about because this is very very boring programming thing. A one of these days I will be telling you guys about it. I'm sure because in one of these days I will be giving a talk and I will do my rehearsal and the talk itself probably be recorded as well. Yeah, so there is that. But yeah, like so I basically did this thing yesterday and then I came back and then I slept until I woke up and I play video games with you guys and then I tried to be productive. So there was that. Yeah. I probably be productive both here and with the other project. I can also show you guys the other project soonish. Yeah. So today is Friday. Tomorrow I'm having food with family again, and then the day after I'm having like game dev, like video game programming meeting. So I feel like both of the days are. I mean, I will have maybe half of a day free and the other half doing who knows what. Yeah, which means if I want to be productive, I probably would be just try to get as much done here today or not. I mean, as much as I can. Yeah, especially because like I am meeting tonight about this. Yeah. Hmm. I guess the other thing is that there's just always shifting goalposts because like I have this, which is also already fully proven, but then now I need to like I mean proven is verified, but now I need to verify this as well. Yeah. So there's that. But anyways, yes. So back to chatting. Yeah. Hey, let me see. Oh wow, dumpling restaurant. A very good way. A yeah. Anyways, yeah. I also did like this walk from all the way from. I always thought I wanted to try this place, but never had a chance. All right. So this I ended up not having it 2 days ago because I after a stream I just like kind of sat around. I think one of my things was running out of battery. I forgot if it was my phone or my headphone or what. Yeah, so then I was just sitting around a little bit, and then once I had it out, this is already closed. So and I was going to send something to my family, bring something to my family anyway. So I just did that. Yeah. So I took a very healthy walk from here to here. So that was a like half an hour walk or something. Yeah, right. I think it's half an hour. Yeah, around half an hour walk. It's very healthy. And then we just take the metro and then took the train and then took whatever else to go here. Yeah, and then we met a we met my family's pet, the pet cat. It was very nice. Yeah, actually, I feel like all cats are so different. Like I've seen a friend's cat. Actually, I've seen two different friends' cats before, and they are already so different. And this one that of my family is also so different. Like so, I feel like there's like so different from dogs, where you can just like kind of call them over and pet them and do whatever you want with them. But for cats, it's like, well, first of all, if you try to call a cat over, it usually just doesn't work. But still, like some are afraid of people and some are really really friendly. Yeah. Anyway, so where are we? So picking up from stash archaeology and a half built proof, and then you want to a okay, oh, lock some partition. This there is still real analysis, huh? Guess maybe I'm little bit surprised that there is still real analysis, because I'm maybe worried. I did not think there would be real analysis. I mean, if there is, then I don't know, either we just do it slowly through a few days, or we try to do some or throw money at it until it is done. Oh, I guess that is the other funny thing that I don't know. Like I really don't know if I had this like funny meeting with my advisor the other day, and I don't know if I learned like I feel like there are supposed to be good takeaways, but it's also a little bit hard to actually like understand. But basically, I was telling him that okay, I've been burning a lot of token on real analysis, and it is still not verified. And I'm like, okay, I need more tokens. And he's like, no, you need to learn how to conserve your tokens. And I feel like both kind of makes sense, but then he also makes some good arguments, like all the companies out there have the same problem that they maybe just have token allocations for I don't know how many months or whatever, and then they are just burning tokens so much faster than they are supposed to, and it's just valuable skill to kind of use your to be aware of like how many tokens you have and not use more than you need. What the heck is this? I think this is maybe exactly the kind of proof that I was thinking about, that you just a what is it called? Maybe it is, maybe it's not. I don't know, but it's just like actually, what is this even? Okay, yeah, this is fine, but then it is like why? Like I feel like there's at least this local thing you can do by rewrite this first, and then do this, and then you shouldn't do have and rewrite. You just rewrite this or something, right? Like I feel like a lot of like AI generated verification like proof scripts are like a little bit strange looking. I mean, if it verifies, then verifies. So yeah. Also, I feel like AI has gotten slightly dumber. Question mark. Like I feel like it was a little bit better at least before. I don't know. I mean, still better than Copilot, but sorry. Actually, I wonder if I should do this with noise cancellation or not. Might be funny if I turn off noise cancellation. Do I sound any different? Kind of wonder if I should like start whispering into a mic just to see if I sound any different. Maybe not right now though. Don't feel like it. I mean, yeah. Anyways, so what was I doing? Talking about being out there, I guess. Yeah, so it's actually gonna be my grandma's birthday, so we are going to some fancy place to eat. Like tomorrow is very nice. Yeah. What was I doing? Yeah. a Oh right, V-Rising. So yeah, I might as well just change the topic because I was just talking about what I've been doing. So yesterday I woke up, right, and then I did a gaming stream and I tried to be productive, and then like before I went to sleep, I basically like did a little bit of gaming again because remember that in V-Rising we basically send out the servants, right, for a hunt because we're vampires. So we send our humans out for a hunt, and then so I need to log on and collect the hunt results. Yeah, so basically I collect the loots, and then I went to fight the what is it called, a uh what is it, a the one that gives you the forge. What is it, the one that gives you forge, a forge finder, yeah. Yeah, so I actually beat Forge Finder. I was actually just going to give it like a couple attempts, but then I ended up just beating him in like, I don't know, 3 or 4 attempts only. Yeah, I mean, one thing is I think I was like, I don't know, like 3, 4, 5 each levels above him or something, right? Because I was like a no, I'm 84-ish. Oh, yeah, so I guess I'm only 2 levels above him, right? Yeah, I think I'm only 2 levels above him. But basically, the room is the 5x5 room, and if you like 5x5 grid, 5x5 tiles or whatever, and if you stand on the wrong tile, then you just die, right? But then the mechanics are so telegraphed that you can basically just not die by not standing on the wrong tile, and you just kind of boss forever. Like the boss itself is not lethal at all. Yeah, so it's just kind of like at least not against a range build. So you just kind of kite him forever, and you just like, and he eventually dies. Yeah, I mean it still took me like I don't know 3, 4 ish attempts, but it was a easier than I thought. I thought I was going to what is it called, a yeah, I thought I was going to just a oh, so I guess that is the other funny thing. Actually, me had more tea. So the servants came back and gave me a bunch of a what is it called, a the Mac, right? The what was the resource called again? The uh text graph. Yeah, yes. So gave me like thousands of text scrap. So I basically turned all of them into schematics because why not? And then I did the what is it called, Stygian summoning, and then my servant died because it got killed by a Stygian summoning boss. So I revived it, and I had like 10 minutes on the revive timer before I can stand out again. So I was like, okay, I've got 10 minutes to burn, so why don't I at least see the fight for the Force Fighter? So I went there, and I just beat him like 3 or 4 times. So there's that, yeah. Well, I guess that's the thing though, like it doesn't really. I feel like as long as I don't know, like in terms of like playing off stream or on stream, I feel like I mean I definitely want to do Dracula on stream, but I feel like the rest is like a I mean, I don't know. Like probably want to beat the sharp bosses on stream. Yeah, I don't know. I really don't know. Hmm. For real? Ring tactics exist. You do realize ring tactics exist. You do also realize LRA exist. Why are you not hitting with LRA? I'm mad. I mean, this is a why this, right? Output redirection to temp. Oh, SDT, yeah. SDD, yeah, makes sense. Okay. Hmm. Actually, now after talking about like, actually I don't know. It's Dotamochi, right? Uh, yeah. Is it, does it count as wagashi or is it not a type of wagashi? A a Tsubushite. What's Tsubushite? Wait, so is it actually a is it actually crushed? I did not realize because it actually just looked like rice. Yeah. A oh a the stem food. I don't think it's like onachi, right? It's like to something. Oh, toyo. Ah, okay. Toyo no tabemono ni. Oh, so this is the same thing. Yeah. Haki no mochi. Oh, so it's also mochi. Okay, makes sense. Yeah. Hey, but it's wakashi. That is maybe the what is it called? The question here. Hey, maybe I should just ask. Yeah. Hey, why not ask, right? Hey, what is it? Food, I guess. Where's food? Food. Hey, I find grammar is really. This doesn't sound. This really does not sound right. But I don't know. Oh, it is. Okay, yeah. Oh, okay. Uh, oh. So is this actually right? Wow, okay. Eh, wait, did I actually get the thing right, like perfectly? Wow, I did. Okay. Yeah, okay, and it is apparently counts as wagashi. Okay, wait, so Batamoshi Koshi. Oh, different, yeah, like different crust level of the, of beans. Yeah, different bean paste, depending on how much you measure bean paste, like how much you measure beans. Yeah. Okay, yes, Botamochi is the mochi rice and bean paste. Well, it's actually yeah. Translating is hard, right? Because the grammar is totally different. Oh, hi, yes, you are new. Welcome. Yeah. So we are basically. Maybe I should say the name. Yeah. So, Somonor. Yeah. Nice to meet you. Yes. So we are basically doing this programming thing right now. And when I say programming, I mean the we're just letting the AI program while chatting about food, and trying to study Japanese because why not? Because I had these Japanese sweets. It looks slightly not appetizing, but basically it is what it is. Yeah. It is like bean paste with rice inside. And I was wondering if it's a type of wagashi, and it is. Yeah. And I was checking if the way I was asking it correct. And also trying to, yeah, just now I was getting stuck on the grammar because the Japanese and English have such different word ordering. So it is like a botamochi is, yeah, I think this is fine. And then is made by mochi rice and red bean paste, and it is a traditional wagashi. It's one type of traditional wagashi. I think maybe that is a I don't know. Like, I feel like wording is always hard, but anyways, yeah. And the thing is still programming. Good. So yes, how are you? Anyways, yeah, it is a being productive here ish. Not really. Well, I guess this is the kind of nice thing with the vibe coding, right? Like I just kind of slack off, and the thing just does its job for me, and we just kind of talk about random stuff. Well, I guess this is kind of an ideal scenario here where I can do this, but there's also the other day where the vibe coding, the AI just gave me some utter AI stuff, and then I just spend the entire time debugging and not really chatting. But today it seems like I get to chat because the AI can keep itself busy and seems like it's doing something good. Yeah, you are good. You're also vibe coding. Nice. Yeah. So, building anything interesting? I'm doing the what is it called? So I'm a grad student, so this is a research project. Basically I mean I kind of put the a what is it called? It's formal verification, but it is like some nerdy actually maybe I should nerdy, but it is the yeah, the oh wow, the yes, the link is here if you're interested, but I don't know, this is maybe a boring thing anyways. But yeah, this is the some funny thing. Oh, system design. That's cool. Yeah, so like system as in like OS stuff or something? A like database or like basically like C or C plus plus Rust kind of thing? Yeah, it's very different from this formal verification thing. And okay, I guess the AI does its stuff. Let me see if I can quickly send the next command so I can keep it busy. So let me see, corollary for this, and then verify with this. Okay, and then oh shoot, maybe I just ask it. Okay, so let me see. Oh, English. Good. A which one do you a one a which ones do you think is good to work on next? Like, are there easier ones that we can do in order to gather insights or reusable building blocks, or any harder ones that we should eliminate first to reduce uncertainty? Let me see. How much tokens do I have left? I still have some, yeah. Uh, Actually, I don't. I think you can see a bottom of my screen, but my thing is blocking my thing. So the time now is 12:25 or something. Yeah. So there'll be a few hours before I get more tokens. Oh well. Let me go boil some water so I can finish this cup of tea and make another one. Give me a few seconds. Okay, back. A VLAN. A oh no, this is a rock prover. A this thing. Yeah, this is a yeah, basically used for what we call formal verification. A it's just some research thing. Yeah, basically we are doing like algorithm analysis, and yeah. Let me quickly see if I can get busy, and then I can try to explain a little bit more when the AI is working. So let me see. A work roughly in this order. Okay. A maybe this is fine. Yeah. And then this is a let me see. A good. A let's go with uh. Would you please get us started within? Oh, maybe I want to commit first. Yeah. So let me see. Let me see. A Sure, I'll just say proofless. Commit with the alias a proof. Wait, what did I prove just now? KO non-negative. A proof or verify that KL divergence is non-negative. So basically, this is like formal verification. Basically, what it does is that you kind of write down what you think is true, and then the thing kind of checks it for you. So that is kind of what you do here. Except now the AI does it for you. So basically, yeah. I mean, there's like some KO divergence, which is this like math thing that is also just used for certain types of algorithm analysis. Yeah, start with it then. Yes, yeah. So this is a how should yeah, how do I describe this? A hmm, take a sip of my tea while thinking what is the best way to say what this is. I think a story is kind of that, well, as researchers or scientists or whatever, basically we write a lot of academic papers. Like, for example, here's another paper for another project that I'm working on. Let's say this, yeah. And then we have this like paper that is a let me see, like I don't know, like 50 or 60 pages long or whatever. A let me see if it even loads. I'm sure it will load. Yeah, I mean quantum sampling. This is like some other 80 pages now already, and it's only going to grow longer. And the problem is that, if you like write in text like this, then who knows if this is right? And chances are somewhere in this 80 pages, we've probably made some mathematical errors somewhere. And then we never know because we never built this. I mean, there are like some algorithms, like some pseudocode here, right? That I do, let's say, I don't know, I would say that maybe this person does this, or maybe actually, this is not so well written. Let me see if I can find a different. Oh, is this a little bit better? Yeah, like for example, I would say I compute something or whatever, just some very uh just some nonsense basically. But then the problem is that if you have like 80 pages of nonsense, then you don't know if this is right. So Rob Prover is kind of basically what you use if you have a very, very long like paper, or like if you have some very, very long academic result, or if you have some very, very large code base, like I don't know, some a let's say entire C compiler or whatever, and you want to check if the thing is correct, like has no bugs kind of thing, then you will use this kind of like interactive theorem prover, use this kind of software to make sure your thing is correct. So this is what they call formal verification, is what we are doing right now. Yeah, basically, as it says, proving or disproving the correctness of a system. And that is basically what we are doing right now. Let a yeah, I guess one other motivation is that the thing that we are trying to verify right now actually was wrong before. Like it is some like cryptography thing, and there was a vulnerability, and it's supposedly fixed. So now we are verifying it to make sure it's actually fixed, kind of thing. Yeah. So yes, we are security researchers here, unfortunately. So yes, yeah. A but yeah, like that is the maybe the more boring part. How about system design? Anything fun there? Hey, I think I have boiling water. Let me add it to my tea leaves. I'll be right back. Yeah, I guess maybe the question that I'm back, by the way. Yeah. So I guess maybe the question that of course, like if you like if it's a secret, then of course you don't have to say. But just curious, like what kind of system are you working on? Like is it some kind of network system, or is it some kind of a what is it called? Yeah, it's some kind of network system, or some kind of like part of OS, or part of like something that is trickier. Is it not also crypto system? Is it? Hmm. Yeah, anyway, so yeah, I know there's a lot of stream delays, so it is, I guess it's just what happens when you stream on YouTube instead of Twitch. So I feel like you are probably like people type something I would not see it until like half a minute later. You are working on back end using Laravel and Nest.js. I've never seen it before. So it's like some kind of web app, and then you are working on the back end of a web app, is it? I mean, it sounds like it, right? Because there's, well, I guess, yeah. Actually, yeah, I'm curious. So Laravel, is it? Oh, so it's some kind of like, I guess so. I work on some kind of web stuff before, but back then we'll use the what is it called? Well, I mean, Nginx is part of it, but it's not entire thing. The what was it called again? A the thing that, shoot, I don't remember what was it. A not let the oh wow, that is really not Express. I forgot what we use. It was not the what was it that we used? Like just request. I don't think we were using just request. We were using some other framework before. A a I think we were looking at request. Yeah, okay. It's been a very long time since I wrote Node.js. But yeah, I've never used Laravel before. And what's Nest.js? A oh oh, TypeScript, nice. Yeah, much better than whatever nonsense I was using before. Actually safe. Yeah. Hmm. Yeah, that's cool. So API developer. So like hmm. So like basically handling like get request and post request and whatever, and then sending them to a database. So and then like getting whatever from database and sending it back to the client maybe. Yeah, it's cool. Hmm. Yeah, I did that a very long time ago before I became a grad student. So I did my undergrad and then I worked out there for a little bit and then I became a grad student and I wrote like Node.js for like half a year. That was quite nice. Yeah, we should pay a little bit better. It was some startup that they well, it was a startup that never got funded. Yeah, but it was cool. Learned quite a bit. I feel I forgot a lot of it. Like right now, I don't even remember which framework we used for the back end. I think front end we just used the. Actually, yeah. What do we even use for front end? Do we use a no? Oh, from the front end we were using just a we were doing Chrome extension, so that has its own front end. Yeah, but back end, what do we use? I actually don't. Somehow I don't remember. Cannot remember for the life of me. I know it is mm, something that is with Node.js, and I think part of it was Express, but I don't think it was it. Yeah, I don't remember. I remember us also using Nginx, but that was unrelated, right? Because there's just load balancing. Yeah, and the routing. Yeah. Anyways, good times. Yeah. Yeah. Speaking of that, though, like one of these days, I've been thinking that I want to be building my personal web page, and I never did. One of these days, I really need to get back to web design. Yeah, especially as a streamer and as someone who might be, a well, both as a streamer and as someone who might become a well, I mean, I don't want to count my chicken before they hatch, but might become a scientist. There are, always people having their personal web page. Like for example, there is this like my academic advisor right now. He also has his page, right? I mean, I'm thinking I can probably build something better than the other scientists' webpage, but it's like if I'm becoming a scientist, then I probably should be building my own webpage like sometime. Oh, Fast API and Golang. Wow. Wait, so how do you? So you Next.js is JavaScript, but then Golang is of course a different language. So now you need to deal with like different languages mixing, like how do I say it? Like API between languages. That is funny. A Yeah, I feel that's a kind of worms. I tried once and I did not want to try again. But yeah, we used to have this like super optimized C++ thing that our Node.js thing code into. Actually, no, I think back then we did, yeah. Basically, we had an internal, it was mess. Yeah, hmm. Yeah, Golang is a very good language, but I'm also impressed that you are able to get it to compose, like, work nicely with JavaScript. Yeah. A, negating a distribution object, really? Okay. Um, Wait, does it make sense? What does it even mean to negate distribution object? Um, oh, wait, no. If you are taking a complement that's no longer a distribution, I don't get it. I actually don't get it. Eh, Whatever. Yeah, I feel like AI is being, well, I don't know. Either AI is doing something strange, or I'm doing something strange. Either or, probably both. Yeah. Hmm. Yeah. But yeah, in terms of like vibe coding, I'm really wondering if I should just be a just like upgrading this because I feel like there's like I'm having more and more vibe coding projects. Like if I'm working on just this, then I can kind of finish my degree using this $20 per month subscription since I'm on my last year anyways and I'm just doing job hunting at the end of a year. But I don't know, I feel like I will, but then of course the problem being, the usual poor grad student issue, right? That a like I don't know if I make enough right now to justify spending $100 per year on, I mean not per year, per month on AI. I mean, it probably is justifiable to be honest, just seeing that because it's between this or I write this myself, which I know I actually I don't know. I mean, if I try enough, I could probably write this myself, but I would not be able to stream and chat while doing it. While right now I'm just chatting while while this does its thing. Yeah, so I don't know. Hmm. Yeah, or I guess the other thing, I guess maybe I should just say, yeah, the other small problem with this is that I feel like on certain days, my what is it called? Like my schedule basically just becomes based on when do I get more token, and that is not healthy. Like today, I would have gotten more sleep, like, but I slept for like what 5 or 6 hours because like it's like okay, last night I spent my tokens, and then this morning I might as well just spend my tokens because I need to spend this so I can get through this and get the next batch kind of thing. And I feel like this is just very, very, well, maybe not very, but it is just an unhealthy way to live to kind of put my own like daily life and I don't know, like my daily schedule, my agenda. Well, agenda is the wrong word. The my what is it called? My I don't know, put like revolve my life around this like 5 hour thing, and until I spend this, and then when my weekly usage hits zero, I'm just very sad kind of thing. So I don't know, yeah. I don't know. I guess the other thing is that my lab is actually thinking to just get everyone a subscription. So I don't know, like if I can just get this on the what is it called through my employer, then why am I spending my own money kind of thing? So I guess maybe one thing I could do is just to buy the what is it called? Just pay 100 per month for just 1 month because I think right now the my lab says that they would just buy everyone this, but then that would be, they are getting stuck on like bureaucracy kind of thing. By the way, you use Codex desktop app that is easy to review code change. Uh, yeah. But you can also review it like this, right? You can just look like this, and then you see that there are some code added here, and then there's you can also look at this. Yeah. The thing about like using VS Code is that I mean, of course, Codex does its thing, but if I want to change the code by hand, I would also be able to. And I feel like for actually I never used desktop app, but I've used the web version before, right? If you just go here and then you I'm guessing it's probably similar to this, right? But then the thing is that then I would not be able to well, food screenshots, unappetizing food screenshots. But yeah, like I wonder if how easy or hard would it be if this is not a real IDE if I want to just make my own changes manually, because I don't know. I feel like at some point I still consider myself a programmer, and I still feel I haven't lost the ability to make changes directly yet, and I kind of want to stay in an environment where I can do that when it comes down to it. Yeah. And maybe I don't know. I just never used the what is it called? I just never used desktop app. Maybe it also lets me do it. Then it's whatever. Yeah. I guess the other question is how fast it burns my tokens, right? If the desktop app, well, I guess goes back to the conversation earlier. Like, am I well? When my lab gives the $100 subscription to me, then I can just use it to my heart's content, or even if I just buy the upgrade right now, gets mesmerized by the song again. Yeah, J-pop, very nice. Also the stuff that I try to cover. Yeah, if I one day I get better at piano. But yeah, anyways, like what was I saying? Lost my train of thought. Yeah, a yeah, or if I just even just like spend because right now I do have money, I think, because I'm doing this visiting scholar thing. And for one reason or another, that means I have money. Yeah, such a terrible way of explaining it. But yeah, because I'm doing this research visit thing, I can technically spend an extra $100 on this, and then I would be. I mean, I'm sure that I'll be very sad because everyone has money until they don't. But it's what it is. Yeah. Especially if I'm becoming a scientist and we just get paid really, really badly, and then I would be very sad. Well, I guess it really depends on where do I become a scientist at, right? I feel like, oh wow, this looks funny because I write too much Lean. Yeah, I guess there's this other programming language called Lean, which is a Lean quantum info, Lean programming language, and the syntax looks like a bit similar but also a bit different from this. So now after having written Lean and now just looking at this, it looks so funny. Like this is not I don't know if things is supposed to look like this anymore, but whatever, yeah. But no, this is what rocks is supposed to look like, yeah. Yeah. I feel like there's like so many like different reasons why you would use Lin or you use Rock, but it's like it's like how you guys use both Golang and JavaScript. It's basically the same scenario here. That sometimes we use Rock, sometimes we use Lin, and sometimes it's hard to suddenly what is it called, go from one to the other because yeah, context switching is hard. Okay, so we did not close this. That is fine. Yeah. Let me see. So turn this into a um sensible, I think. Did not close it yet. The next blocker is a stability. Oh, this is real analysis, right? A this worries me actually because this is a like chaos divergence is not in general summable, right? A let me see. Where is this? A what is this doing here? A pink skirt, okay. Let me see. By the way, there's like a terrifying amount of code in this project. I think like 7,000. Well, maybe not that many. I don't know, like 5,000 lines or something probably. Especially like by using AI, your the number of lines of code just grows so much faster than it should, based what it is. Yeah. Anyway, so what do I have? Is this actually true? KO divergent is usually it's not always stummable, right? Hmm. Maybe I should just say yeah. It's not in general stummable when your support is infinite, right? How does Mavcom handle sum? In that case, does it just output zero? And how do you say we handle this? Do we add summable hypothesis? I don't know, everywhere, or do we also implicitly assign zero on the back branch? Oh, sorry, I accidentally touched the mic. I don't think you heard it just now. I hope not. Anyways, yeah. Let me see. Yeah, this is worrying me. The other thing though is that I feel like either I'm just going to a it's like if I feel like I'm going to upgrade to $100 per month, then I should just do it right now. Because I feel like the later I do it, kind of the what is it called? Yeah, like it's either I never do it, or if I plan to do it, I might as well do it sooner than later. So it's like yeah, I feel like maybe I should just do it now. You know what? Yeah, maybe I should. Yeah, let me just make some poor financial decisions. Actually, can I? I feel like the thing is that I'm on the, what is it called? Yeah. Oh, I can. Good. Because I have let me see. Can I do this? Let me see. Oh, so I can no, I think I'm not gonna share my okay. I think I can share my screen again. And now I think I have more token than I can spend. Let me see. Yeah. So I think I have a yeah. Okay, gives me more token than I can ever spend. That is very good. So I will just turn this to extra high and speed to fast because a let me see. So this is this, and then you have this, yeah, and then a let me see, L0, yeah, okay. So some can become mathematically bogus, yeah, makes sense. And then good, yeah. Honest path is saying let finite KL a finite real lemma, and then probably propagate it to Pinsker and higher. I guess the other a so I make some poor financial decisions just now, and I realized I probably should have tried Cloud Code before. But I guess the problem is that like okay, so it's generally a what is it called a consensus that Cloud is smarter than ChatGPT, but then Copilot comes with such a terrible version with Cloud that the only experience I have with Cloud was literally just negative. So I don't know if I want to try Cloud Code. So I probably so I'm just sticking with my really poor financial decisions and doing this. Yeah. So let me see. A sum is localized, so non-negative series not summable. This returns this. Okay. KO is a real issue. A non-summable is become integrand. You are doing. It's been a very long time since I've seen the word integrand. Like you're doing real analysis. I mean, fine, we are doing real analysis, but that does not mean we are doing calculus. Uh, whatever. Yeah. glad that I was a math major and I actually not losing too many sanity points looking at the word integrand. Sure, whatever. Eh, sure. Eh, okay, you avoid that. It already does this, and then okay, perfect. So would you do a pass throughout the repository and just wait? Is that okay, so I don't know, actually I'm curious, yeah. If that were going to be a case, then I have a bunch of other stuff that is not converging, right? A like how I don't know, like a okay, so in here I have a bunch of stuff that may potentially not converge, right? A mm, uh let me see. So right now a divergent I don't know, a non-converging KL just gets mapped to 0, yeah, and a bunch of and lemmas like a I don't know, like pi sequence rule in from pi.v are verified up to let semantic, up to let implicit I don't know, implicit semantic I guess. A yeah, maybe that is fine. A what is it called? Let's say if we treat all this as technical deadline, how long will it take for us to pay it all back? Good. Now we have a supposedly smarter AI. Let's see if it does it for me and give me a good answer. A non-summable to 0, so we use sum. Sum f is this. Oh, ew, that is disgusting. A what's this? A wait. So treat this as current a. Let me see. Non-negative series. P sum f maps not summable to 0, but okay. And then you are saying that if positive, yeah. So I guess this is the part where the AI, where I actually spend time programming and actually be productive today now. Okay, so let's see. And especially with the what is it called this now, with my poor financial decisions, now I can actually spend the rest of the day programming until like 10 p.m. when this is due. Yeah. Well, not like actually due, but yeah. When I have a meeting, and it would be nice if I have this to show. Yeah. So let me see. Do I just open a separate chat and ask it to deal with it? Maybe. Yeah. Let me think. A Yeah, maybe I want to just augment this. Yeah. So I want to say let a let me see. How do I a pipe this? Let me see. Oh, maybe this is what I wanted to do. Yeah. A Yeah, maybe I would just be very, very greedy and do the maybe not so nice thing. But let's see if, what can we do here. Well, we want to first save, right? So we want to say that a add, and then a work fill in some more lemmas, I guess. Uh, Maybe I'll just use the word admins. For because that is the what they say for things that is not verified yet. And then now let's say we want to do this funny and tricky thing of basically, well, first of all, extra high, and then yeah, good, and then speed fast, yeah, turn everything up to max, and then we want to say what? We want to say that, oh, maybe I want to first see what is this. A okay. So we want to, let me see. A okay. So I want to say a, what do I want to say here? Okay. A in core, I like to add something like the following, and then in a what is it called, in pipe.v, a I want to add the assumption that a all this uh are indeed a finite, uh as in we aren't in the bad case. I guess this would you, of course it probably breaks a ton of stuff. Would you make the change anyways, and I don't know, and fix what you can, maybe comment out and admit what you can't. uh I guess this also what's it called, what's it called, this is strictly stronger than a than the than this that we've been carrying everywhere. So maybe we can remove that as the, as parts of the public interface while we are at it. Maybe I should double check, right? A If so, maybe we can, yeah, okay. Now let's wait for the AI to make like medium changes. Basically the AI will spend half an hour on this, and then we will pay back all of our debt, and we'll be happy. We'll be very happy. Yeah, because real analysis is hard, but hard for humans, not for AIs. Because AIs are smart, we welcome our AI overlords. Oh, good. Yeah. Let me boil some more water. Actually, my tea leaf is losing flavor. Maybe I need to throw out tea leaf and make a new cup. Yeah. Okay. Good. Hey. What is this thing? Really? Because you have Okay, sure. Why not? Yeah, perfect. Hey, let me see. A This is probably just going to do a lot of things, right? Your operations are totalized, so into a I mean, I hope it is doing something sensible. I think it is, yeah. Okay, so I did have breakfast. So this is a what, like 1 p.m. where I am. So I feel like, oh wow, Yuli and Kotoha is very nice. I actually was thinking about learning this song. Actually, I did try to learn this song a little bit. I feel if I like look at this, I'm just gonna get mesmerized again because I really like Kotoha. But okay, yeah, I feel I'm just going to force myself to close the tab and come back. I mean, not close, but tab away and just look at this. We are 1 p.m. right now. I had breakfast, so I'm not super hungry yet. I had the danbing, which is basically the Taiwanese traditional thing. It's quite nice. It is like, yeah, this kind of thing. Basically, you put it on the grill, and then you have the fried egg inside one of these pieces of like thin bread. Yeah, I actually had a, what is it called? I guess actually, I don't know. So I have a version with kimchi inside, which I think is slightly less traditional, but I don't know for sure. Yeah. So we have that, and then we also had the yirenjiang, not this yiren. Yeah. So yiren is the one of the grains that is I maybe don't really see in the U.S., but it tastes so nice. I should have more of this while I'm in Taiwan. Yeah, because I'm going back to the U.S. on by the end of summer. Yeah. So I have this, and then but jiang is the what is it called, like kind of soy milk kind of thing. So basically blend yiren into a drink. Yeah, it's nice. Sorry, I'm just like throwing out tea leaf so I can make more tea. But yeah, I feel like I should like finish this and go grab zongzi or something. Yeah. At some point, maybe not anytime soon. But let's see. I'm meeting at 10 p.m. right? Actually, I guess the million-dollar question is if I want to, well, A, have coffee sometime during the day or not. If I do, I need to go and get it. And question number two, do I want to take a nap at some point before my meeting at 10 p.m.? I feel like answer might also be yes. So I don't know. Like, I guess the other question is like, I mean, I'm not gonna, well, I might be able to. I was going to say I was not gonna be programming for the next 9 hours until 10 p.m. But I don't know because I mean we are grad students and that is what we do as grad students. We just program until we are very, yeah, I don't know. Yeah, we'll see. The other thing is that like this AI thing actually makes it possible, right? Because then this is less tiring to program than if I were to write by hand. I mean, although I feel I'm gonna lose my voice if I just chat for like 10 hours. Well, I guess one problem is I'm gonna lose my voice. Problem number two is I don't have so much nice thing to chat about for like 10 hours. I mean, conversation topic wise, I maybe am already surprised that I've been around for like what? I started at when? A My phone doesn't tell me. Let me actually look. So I'm monitoring the chat on my phone, but the phone actually didn't tell me how long have I been streaming. Well, clickbait stuff, whatever. I've been doing, oh, just like less than 2 hours. Yeah, that is not much. Yeah. So, yeah, so I feel like, I don't know. Yeah, I feel like I can definitely be productive for like more than 8 hours in a row if I try. Uh, I don't know about today because I did not run on much sleep. But I mean, grad student stuff, like we can always program for a long time. Problem is just that, like, I don't know. I feel like I'm maybe already surprised that I have enough conversation topic for like over an hour. But anyways, let me make tea. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Yeah, I feel like this is when I feel, I don't know, like it's a bit unlucky that put all the good tea at my office because I thought that was where I'm going to be productive, because I mean visiting scholar stuff, they are giving me an office, a very nice one actually. Yeah, so I have my, what is it called? So I put all my tea there, but then it's like, okay, now today is technically a holiday. I mean it's Friday based on Wujie, right? So I basically am just staying at the visitor housing thing, and now I have only oolong. I mean, oolong tastes amazing. Don't get me wrong. Like this is like maybe one of the best ones I have, but I would love to change it around. I'd love to have some coffee as well. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, but then I also want to stay here for a bit longer and actually get things done, right? So I don't know. Maybe. Okay, fine. So maybe in the ideal world, which we probably don't live in right now, but in that ideal world, we just stay here until we finish basically not that a until we finish this, right? And then once we finish that, we what is it called? Yeah, a once we finish that, we go to take a nap, and we. I mean, even though it's not ideal, right? Because like want to work on our other project as well. There's just so much to work on. I feel like even if I burn the entire day on this project, it might not be ideal, because like tomorrow and the day after, I am gone for half of the day, right? But I also want to be productive on that project as well. And the other problem is, yeah, there's just so much problems, because I mean I'm like technically I'm temporary here, so my phone is not, what is it called? Yeah, so I actually don't have a data plan on my phone right now, so I will have like basically no Wi-Fi when I'm out there. So it's not like I can. Well, I mean, the entire situation just super degenerate. I was thinking I can work while being out there because I have my phone, but I should not. Like that is just, that's too much. That's way too much. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. But yeah, what was I saying? Okay, maybe what I'm curious about is how fast am I burning tokens? You're kidding. Like I should have like 5 times as much tokens. But even so, I'm still burning tokens really fast. Oh, unless this is the what I burned earlier already still counts. Maybe. Because I cannot imagine being on a very expensive plan and still burning through 10% like so fast. Like I feel like I really hope I would have more tokens than I can burn now. But I feel like that might not be true. I mean, I guess the other things I'm setting this on very high and high speed, very high and fast speed. So I don't know. Maybe I should at some point I should turn it back to regular speed. It's eating too much of my CPU core. Sure, yeah. Okay. So let me see. Edit finite KL and then good, yeah. And then expose finite KL makes sense. And then pipe this, yes, okay. And then oh wow, okay. So oh shoot. So let me see. A yeah, maybe I should say a oh, add some finite add s- uh assume that KL divergence are finite. A or maybe instead of assume, I'll say require that KL divergence require finite KL divergence, and then a okay, good. So now I would basically say that okay, great. I guess next I guess next would you work on these new finiteness lemmas? Maybe the goal is to maybe at some point this round or otherwise, or I don't know, either this round or we can do a few more rounds. It'd be good to get back to a clean assumptions on what is it called, a what was my pipe sequence, a or if we find out that's not possible, then maybe it's better to find out sooner than later and add whatever other assumptions we need. Yeah, okay, good. Actually, while we are at it, let me quickly look at the code that the AI has very kindly written for us and see if this is good at all. So we have this finite, what is it called? A is it? Oh, good. So we have finite KL, which is a where do you add it? Oh, you added at where I told you to add it, which is okay. A finite KL is okay. This is absolutely continuous, yeah. And also that this is finite, yeah. A this would make sense, right? Because well, would it? Oh yeah, wait, would it make sense? The yeah, KL divergence is literally this. So this is literally saying that my thing is finite. Okay. And then you are saying that given that this is finite, you have pipe distance being a let me see. Wait, wait. I actually don't need the finite KL for this, right? A wait, for pipe dist, I think I need a finite KL on only each coordinate. I don't I don't think I need a finite KL on the entire ensemble. A yeah, good to read your code and check and be what is called be safe. Yeah. A what is it called? Let me see. Make a top level support AC fact. What's AC? Yeah, maybe this is fine. And then a yeah, maybe I would be curious. Maybe I'm a bit curious on if we have a have any need at all for top level absolute. Why is it? Oh no. Absolute continuity. We do need it. Yeah. we separate by. Oh, okay, good. Yeah, never mind. I think it is doing something reasonable. I think. Okay. Okay, good. And then you are saying that oh, you don't need, yeah, no, I don't think you need top level absolute continuity as well either. Yeah. A hmm. Let me see. Things are being a bit strange here. Okay, so this is coordinate finite, yeah. And then what do we have here? A derived top level is no wait, when did I steer? Oh, that is where I steer. Okay. So oh, AC is absolute continuity. Okay. So actually no, like for top level, what is it called? A the consumer is a is just this, right? Which builds into a what is it called? Which builds into, I say main consumer is a into a this, and I guess a yeah, I guess we've got the I guess we've got a listing as well. I intuitively maybe I don't see any needs for a what is it called, for top level a KL bound or I mean ensemble wide or absolute continuity. A let me know if a if if it is actually required somewhere. Maybe I should just steer as well. Yeah. Hit your usage limit. You for real? No, like this is I should not have hit the. Oh, need to restart. Yeah. A good. Yeah, because I make some poor financial decisions, and then I need to now do this and that. Yeah. A then codex. A when you log on back in, I think I don't, right? I think this is already, unless this is, I mean, it cannot, right? Yeah, it's not. Okay, good. A a yeah, maybe I should say that a yeah, three. I think we essentially we got interrupted a somewhere. Would you please a continue where we left off with what is it called a by the way, the what is it called? I think we were removing a top level requirements of the shoot. This unlucky, but we will leave. I think a removing a ensemble wide a finite KL assumptions on a oh, maybe I should do this a in a py.v a where is it kl and requiring let for coordinate wide requiring let coordinate wise only a and I'll say by the way its main consumer is a oh maybe I could check like how much usage do I okay I do have a lot left, yeah. A its main consumer is a if it shows up if the requirement if the proof application shows up somewhere as you work on it as you work on things, or maybe please let me know, yeah, good to be polite somewhere anyways as you work on things. You've hit your usage limit. What do you mean? Okay, fine. Maybe I need to like a log out and back in. Yeah, log out and back in. Paste here, and then there we go. Let me see. Like, I mean, I'm throwing money at the thing, so it should be nicer to me. It's what it is, yeah. A shoot. A change it to question mark and send, and hopefully it listens. Yeah. What? What do you mean? Like, I did not hit my usage limit. I did not. I have usage limits. You're mad. What on earth? Like, I should. What do I do now? Well, might be a good sign to take a break and do something. I don't know. Hey, you know what? Yeah, okay. Thank you all. I will see you all next time, and I will worry about this. Some wait before I do this. Let me see. Let me start a new chat to see if it helps at all. Because if it can, then well, earlier would you yeah maybe do this, yeah. See if it actually does it if I do this, yeah. Oh, it does. Perfect. Yeah, okay. I guess we can continue then. Great. Yeah. Hmm. Perfect. Hey, mm, let me see. Why do you still need a yeah, total variation? Why do you need this? Is it required? A intuitively it's not. So proof support fact from coordinate conditionals. A mm, I guess the other option is to just like reverse like three commits and see what do we do, yeah. And then going back to a yeah, I mean this is really funny. Like that I would just be wasting a lot of tokens by doing that, yeah. Let me make more tea and use the restroom. I'll be right back. Okay, what did I miss? Oh, I didn't make tea. I just used the restroom. I need to make tea. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, and it seems like we don't get to, like, what is it called? We don't get to call it and slack off because the thing actually works. Hey, let me see. So what do we have here? A let me see. Mm, quickly look at what has happened, because this is maybe actually hard. Yeah. So this is fine. Then it's saying that you need to either approve or you avoid this totally. Let me see. Yeah. Look at this, and then you think, okay, that is fine. And then passive current limited bridges, but then assumption boundary pattern at three single, okay. A but do you actually need to prove this? A yeah, maybe I need to ask after it does this, because I feel like that thing is not used anywhere. Yeah. Hmm. I feel like somewhere down the list, a thing is just not using, just with that assumption. And I feel like it's just wasting its own tokens, which is very unlucky if it were to be a case. Let me see. Yeah, I guess the lower the energy I am, the closer I'm speaking to a mic, and now I'm just kind of. I mean, I'm not whispering to it, but I'm just like, I don't know, just like, yeah. Anyways, where are we? Eh, um, well, at least like you have just this, so this is sensible. Yeah, and let me see. Yeah, this is fine. And then, oh, these two could be combined. Yeah, but maybe that is a little bit less of a worry than otherwise. Let me see. So program logic 5 compiles, so it likes. So you're saying this is fine, and then you are saying, happy will feel good, very happy. A yes, this is a totally different. Well, that's not bad, I guess. I don't know. I feel like when I'm like in this kind of mood, oh remember I remember like a few years ago before I started liking Koto Hot this much, like when I'm like very low energy and corner works, I would always listen to Hachi's a Kinkyo Hanabi, a because I don't know, it's just so soothing. I mean, it's what Kinkyo Hanabi, and then oh yeah, I mean it's her cover of the of how to say her name again, but yeah. Oh wow, this is a okay. Anyways, back to this. Yeah, I wish one day I could go to Koha's live and actually watch the actual dance. But anyways, yeah. I mean, not for this song, but just dances in general. Yeah, it would be so nice if I can actually. Anyways, yeah. Before I get distracted further, let's actually just a Are you going to good? Good. Yeah. Actually, do I want to charge my phone? I feel I see myself being here for a few hours, right? Let me just grab my phone charger. Okay, my portable charger is low, so I'm charging my portable charger now, so when my phone is running out of power later, I can bring it here to charge my phone. Yeah, it is a funny setup, but basically I don't have a enough USB port to charge my phone right now because my microphone takes pretty much the last USB port, a USB-A port, and I don't have a USB-C to Lightning, I think. Actually, do I? Let me check. Maybe I do. Oh, perfect. I do have USB-C to Lightning. So I can always, like all along, I could have just charged my phone here. I did not have to do the funny move I've always was doing. That's good. Hey, where's my USB-C port? I think it's this, and then this should be charging my phone, yeah? Okay, good, yeah. Because I always use my phone to monitor the YouTube chat. So yeah, anyways, back to this. Okay, so let me see. So we have this, and then we have a this, yeah, and this. A have this. Wait. Where do you need this? A KL pipe. A okay, yeah. Wait, what are you doing here? You are saying that if you have this, then you have this. But why would you? Sure, why? But why? So this is a This looks funny. I I don't know how far should I dig into this because I mean this is a wait. Have this absolute continuous from oh because okay yeah maybe I should ask then a no meaning a global continuous internally a to chase down the what is it called the ensemble wide absolute continuous a requirements a little bit deeper, I feel a like who is the actual consumer at the end of the, I don't know, at the end of the stack, a at the bottom, at the top of stack, and is it actually using it instead of, is it actually using it for a as a necessary condition? Maybe would you please be polite? Yeah. Yeah, like this is actually, yeah. Let me see for final blend. This is a the full trace blend. This is blend you need to use chain, which is funny. Mm, but yeah, okay. So you have this, and then you have a grenade. Yeah, this is the this is what we had earlier. Yeah, which is the real quote unquote real mathematical bridge, and then you have a some ability preservation for this because you have a yeah, this is real analysis, right? Because if this were real, then this better be real because this is a wait, is this a oh, this is not a, what's it called, sure, a okay, yeah, anyways, back to the, now that you guys can hear it, right? I mean, if you can, then I'll, my VOD will be nuked off the face of the earth. Okay, good. Hey, let me see. So what do you have here? A one local use definitely stronger than needed. You only need, yeah, and then a let me see, ring sequences use our chaos support inclusion, and then a so are we in the clear? It would be very nice if we are actually in the clear right here. Yeah. A might make it slightly better. Like it would be so nice if this were the only thing left. Because like this, I'm not saying this is easy, but this can be brute forced through, I think. Yeah, like so if this is the only problem, then we might be fine, yeah. Actually, is it? Maybe this is not so nice, right? Because this is a actually can I convince myself this is true? A you have KO divergence and then you sample something and then you do something else. If a KO divergence is finite here, then the KO divergence a let me see. A what do you have? A this looks like a proof lemma, a what is it called? A for this and this for a for tracer of moves pumping and then ensemble wise is the some support inclusion is genuinely needed internally. Wait, what? So you're saying we still have this? That is very worrying. Let me see. So you have this, and then yeah, this is fine. A okay. So we have this, and then we have KL dot conditional a 152, yeah. A 152, this well is not proven anyways. A And then this is a core, which is also a let me see. So this is 339, which is probably also not proven. Three, or is it 339? A let me see. Hmm. Okay, so a this is unproven. Is admitted anyways. So let's take out the ensemble wise stuff from there, and we try proving it without that the other day, another time, if we uh if we end up needing, if the application is real, we will let Rock Mathcom tell us uh hey, we'll wait for the wait for to tell us a and for the and this has a proof, right? Uh, which syntactically speaking, it does a move HAC and does not seem to use HAC. Otherwise, inside the proof, does not contain the HAC token anywhere else in the proof body. Uh, what if we just take out the assumption altogether and hope that it compiles? You've hit your usage limit. What do you mean? Just crazy. Because you, oh, like this funny. I bet I still have usage. Yeah, I still have a lot. What do you mean here? Simple, whatever. Okay. Okay. So maybe I should. Is this the power I try to do by hand? I guess I could, yeah. But let me see. Okay. So yeah, I should just start a new chat because the to get around this issue, I think soon enough I will not have this problem anymore. Also, the backend database, whatever things. But for now, I will. Let me see. Hmm. Let me see. Let me see here. So we have the what is this? Okay, maybe I can yeah, would you help us chase down the consumers of a uh like are there only a what the I okay, only this and this, in which case a if that's the case, a maybe we can take out the ensemble. a I am suspecting that this lemma is actually unnecessary. a I'm suspecting that maybe I should say this. Oh, maybe I commit first so things don't get messed up any further than it already is. A start removing ensemble wise finite KL. Tried removing ensemble wide KL. Okay. Maybe I should say that the what is it called lemma in maybe I should just write here, yeah. Maybe I should so I can point the thing at the right place. Okay. I'm suspecting that the from what is called from Python is it this one? Yeah, is actually unnecessary. Would you help us hunt down the consumers? Uh, like are there only this and this? If that's the case, I can maybe I can just copy and paste here. You've hit your usage limit. I bet I have not. What do you mean? Can I just log out and back in and maybe you will give me limit again? Because I'm sure I have limit. Yeah, you know what? Log out. Yeah, and then sign in. Yeah. Hey, good. I hate this so much. Wow, nice. Piano part, piano solo. Wow. Are they using the who is doing the piano? Are they? Yeah. Does it say? I think they might be using just original thing. Or either that or whoever they ask is to make the background is a what is it called, very good. Anyways, yeah, like BGM whatever. Yeah, the karaoke version is very good, very close to original, or maybe it is original. I don't know. Yeah. Hey, okay. Are you going to give me? Okay, you are thinking. Good. Hey, so it thinks. Well, it's thinking, which implies that it doesn't think I have usage limit, but I definitely do have usage limit because I do have limit. I have a lot left. Well, not like a lot, but I have plenty left. It's why I close this, and then yeah, have you tried closing and like turning off and back on again? Well, okay. Yeah, have we tried turning off and back on again? Are we thinking? Yeah. Okay, you know what? Thank you all. I will see you next time. This is just what it is. Yeah. I don't know, go sleep or something, and then at some point I wake up and keep going, or maybe I don't know. You know what? Here is what we are going to do here. We are programmers. We can do this by hand. We can do this old-fashioned way, whatever. Okay, so we are doing this, and then we are. Wait, it's used nowhere. So what is this? Okay. So okay. What do we have? We want to well, first of all, this means that we can just get rid of this entirely, right? And it will still build, the project will build just fine. But then it's like, how do I, okay. Okay, so Let's see. So you have what? You have a theorem. Oh, so these two are the usages. So I need to keep them. Yeah, and then I want to first get rid of the usages by saying that. Okay, so for line 52, I have a well, first of all, iterative KL 全榜. What is this? Well, okay, let's see what do we have, right? So a we have HAC, but then Pinsker. Hmm. So where's Pinsker, right? A Pinsker is a you are saying that if this were a so this is required. I see. Yeah. Otherwise, this is just really bad. So a okay. So good to know. Change of plane then. So a follow up question. A let me see. If I have coordinate wise KL bound, does it mean the entire thing is also has a KL bound? That is maybe the $1 million question. A because we do need this, right? Yeah, we do need this. This is real. Like this is so all what I've been asking the AI was maybe nonsense. Yeah. So a let's see. So coordinate finite KL absolute continuous. A let me see, where was it again? So this is a real this is a real requirement. This is obviously a real requirement now, yeah. So we want to just revert the last commit. What was this? Well, let me see. A so I definitely have this. But then it's like I want to go from this to this, which is that I want to go from let me see. If I have this, then why do I if I have this, then I have this, but I actually want to say that I want to go from this to full absolute continuity, right? Hmm. Yeah, maybe not just absolute continuity. I want to actually go from this to fully a what is it called? Yeah, maybe a Pinsker thing is actually a okay. Yeah, maybe I what I want to do is actually this. So in a Pinsker, a maybe conceptually it makes more sense to have a what is it called? Have a what is it called? A not just finite KL, right? Instead of a absolute continuous as a requirement, would you help us change that and maybe adjust its uses? Such as I don't know, a adjust maybe fix whatever gets broken by this or a or fix what and comment out what you can't. Okay, yeah, I think we're done. Okay, cool. Thank you all. I will see you next time. Yeah, because this is definitely bugged because I definitely have limit. Like I definitely still have usage left. Yeah, but whatever. Okay, thank you.